article also. After completing this, I'll share this also in the group, so you need not worry about it. So whatever doubts you have regarding this, I'll be clearing it, so no problem. So I think so I have just completed the base portion. This portion I've completed it. Now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use number 4 brush and fill all the areas except the design. Okay, so far I think so it's very clear. We have it paint with white first. No, when you're doing it on the paper plate, because when the plate is white, why do you want to go it for white paint again? So you need not do it. You can directly trace the design and then you can just directly do the work. Start with the coloring work. So now I'm just going to fill the area with the help of the So first let me finish the base area, then I'll just enter into the design portion. So only then it will be easy for you. So almost, see these, when you do it on wood, you can just use it as a tea coaster. You can use almost for different purposes. You can use as a wall hanging, you can use wall decor, or you can use it as a tea coaster. So many what do you say, like you can so many platforms you can make use of it. So I'm just finishing this. And now this portion too I'm coloring. This is very easy to do it, because just like a kid does with the color pencils and sketch pens, we are doing it with acrylic colors. But you should be very careful. See to that the color doesn't enter into the design. I'll just answer your query once when I complete this practical session. See, you have to take the design according to the base what you're doing. For the pot design is completely different, and whereas for the plate you have to take the design accordingly, and whereas for the wood or cardboard you have to go accordingly. So first let me finish this. This is a simple way of decorating. You can just, it's a very easy technique, but it looks very gorgeous when you complete it. So I'll complete this portion as well. And if you are in need of giving another coating too, you can give. There is no hard and fast rules like you have to end up with one coating only. There is no hard and fast rules. So whatever, like if you feel it like I just want to go with another coating, you can do so. But not now, once when it is dry, not before drying.